In this Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to design magazine cover in Photoshop. Alright, first things first. Let's create a brand new file of 20 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. Perfect for an A4-sized cover. Oh, and don't forget to set the resolution to 300 dpi for that crisp, print-worthy quality. Next, we'll set up some handy-dandy guides to keep things neat. Go to View, New Guide Layout. Now set the margins to 0.5 centimeters on all sides, top, bottom, left, and right. This step is like adding training wheels for your creativity. It ensures everything stays aligned. Once done, head over to View, Lock Guides. Because let's face it, no one likes accidentally dragging guides around. It's locked, it's loaded. Let's move on. Time to jazz up this blank canvas. Drag and drop your first image onto the canvas. You can download the image I'm using from the link in the description below. Let's add some text to spice things up. Grab the Type tool from the toolbar and click anywhere on the canvas to start typing. You can download the font I'm using from the description below. It's sleek, stylish, and just screams magazine. Got your text in place? Awesome. Now click on the Add a Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here's where the real fun begins. Pick the Brush tool. Set the opacity and flow to 100% and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Now start painting on the mask to hide parts of your text. It's like sculpting your design. Super satisfying, right? Play around with it until it feels just right. Pick the type again and add text. If you have multiple text layers, select them all by holding down Shift, then press Ctrl+G to group them together. This keeps things organized. Let's add another image to take this cover to the next level. Drag your second image onto the canvas and change its blending mode to Screen. This gives it a dreamy, layered effect that's perfect for a magazine vibe. Don't stop there. Click on Add a Layer Mask again. Pick the Brush tool, set the opacity to 100% and the flow to 50%, and paint with a black foreground color to blend it seamlessly with the design. It's starting to look stunning already, isn't it? Last but not least, drag in another image to complete the look. Adjust it to fit your composition. Congratulations, you've just designed a jaw-dropping magazine cover. Now it's your turn. Experiment, tweak, and make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Photoshop tricks and tips. Got questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep designing,